Protecting your child during their initial developmental milestones doesn't require a single generic solution. Hard shell options excel during high-speed outdoor excursions on bikes and scooters, whereas indoor crawling and cruising are perfectly accompanied by lightweight padded caps or posterior backpack guards. By matching your baby's current developmental stage with the appropriate impact layout, you can easily ensure maximum safety and reassurance all season long.
Product number 1. Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper. When it comes to efficient meal prep without breaking the bank, the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper stands out. With a robust 350-watt motor and sharp stainless steel blades, it tackles dicing, mincing, and pureeing with remarkable ease. For gamers and typists who need a fast snack, the unique stack and press switch type is a game changer. There are no complicated locking mechanisms, just press down to chop. In terms of build quality, the durable plastic bowl and sturdy base hold up well to daily use, while the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. The compact layout ensures it won't clutter your desk or small kitchen counter. Delivering exceptional performance at an entry-level price, it offers immense value. Whether you're whipping up a quick salsa between gaming matches or prepping dinner after a long day of typing, this Hamilton Beach chopper provides reliable, one-handed operation that perfectly complements a fast-paced lifestyle. Product number 2. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor is a stellar addition to our list of the best small kitchen appliances under $50. Boasting a 24-ounce work bowl, it is ideally sized for quick, smaller tasks like chopping herbs or grinding hard cheeses. The innovative auto-reversing Smart Power blade offers a 2-in-1 layout, utilizing a sharp edge for soft chopping and a blunt edge for hard grinding. Evaluating its switch type, the intuitive push-button control panel is highly responsive, requiring minimal effort, perfect for fatigued typists or gamers needing a quick energy boost. The build quality is quintessentially Cuisinart, featuring a sleek, durable BPA-free plastic base that promises longevity. At its price point, the value is unmatched, saving you immense prep time. The compact footprint allows it to easily tuck away into tight kitchen spaces. Overall, it is a highly versatile and dependable food processor that seamlessly bridges the gap between high-end culinary performance and budget-friendly accessibility for everyday users. Product number 3. Black & Decker 1.5 Cup Electric Food Chopper. For ultimate simplicity and space-saving design, the Black & Decker 1.5 Cup Electric Food Chopper is a formidable contender. Driven by a capable 150-watt motor, it effortlessly powers through onions, garlic, and nuts. The layout is incredibly minimalist, prioritizing a highly compact 1.5 cup capacity that is perfectly tailored for single-serving meals, ideal for a solo gamer looking to whip up a quick dip. Its switch type utilizes a highly satisfying one-touch pulse control mechanism located right on the lid, offering tactile feedback that typists will appreciate. The build quality is remarkably solid for a budget appliance, featuring a stay-sharp bi-level stainless steel blade that ensures uniform chopping and a rugged dishwasher-safe bowl. When analyzing its overall value, this Black & Decker model shines as an ultra-affordable powerhouse. It gets straight to the point, minimizing prep and cleanup time. If you need a reliable, basic chopper that won't occupy precious real estate or drain your wallet, this is an absolutely essential desktop or countertop companion. Product number 4. Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker. Moving away from choppers, the Ovente Electric Sandwich Maker introduces exceptional hot meal convenience to our under $50 roundup. Designed to cook breakfast sandwiches, grilled cheeses, and even quick omelets, it is a versatile lifesaver. The layout features perfectly portioned triangular non-stick plates that seamlessly seal in your ingredients. For safety and ease of use, its build quality incorporates a reliable cool touch handle and an anti-skid base, ensuring it stays firmly planted. The switch type here relies on an automated plug-and-play thermostat with dual LED indicator lights that clearly signal when the device is preheated and ready. This hands-off operation is highly appealing for busy typists and gamers who can't afford to babysit their food. Furthermore, the non-stick coating makes cleaning incredibly straightforward. Delivering quick, piping hot meals in minutes, the overall value is fantastic. It transforms simple ingredients into satisfying, mess-free hot pockets of energy, making it an indispensable low-maintenance appliance for anyone balancing a demanding digital lifestyle with a craving for warm food. Product number 5. Meal Helper 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. The Meal Helper 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is a manual marvel that redefines culinary multitasking. Unlike the electric options, this comprehensive tool features a manual press switch type, demanding a satisfying tactile push to force vegetables through its heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel grates. The layout is a masterpiece of efficiency, incorporating 7 interchangeable blades for dicing, slicing, julienning, and grating, all of which store neatly inside the attached catch container. The build quality is outstanding. It utilizes reinforced BPA-free ABS plastic that withstands the forceful impact of rapid chopping. For gamers and typists aiming to eat healthier without sacrificing hours to meal prep, the sheer value of this kit is mind-blowing. It entirely replaces a drawer full of single-use gadgets for a fraction of the cost. The integrated container instantly catches your prepped food, keeping your workstation entirely mess-free. If you desire maximum versatility and uniform cuts without relying on electricity, this 12-in-1 tool is a budget-friendly powerhouse. In conclusion, upgrading your culinary space doesn't require a massive budget. These best small kitchen appliances under $50 offer incredible utility, reliable build quality, and intuitive layouts that save you precious time. Whether you're a busy gamer, a dedicated typist, or just someone looking for efficient kitchen hacks, these gadgets deliver unbeatable value and performance.